correcting the frequency response curve through virtual measurement and DSP debugging. Last time, we learned how to view data related to the virtual receiver. Then we can correct the system through virtual debugging. Taking the current sound system as an example, should we now need to calibrate the frequency response curve of the left mainline array? We can position the receiver along the primary coverage axis of main L. We shall first mute the other speakers. The diagram will display only the relevant measurement data for main L. In the view, we display only the source magnitude. The left-hand axis represents the SPL, measured at the current receiver location. We can zoom in or out by scrolling the mouse wheel. Alternatively, you may drag the window directly to position the curve display within the central area of the window. Go to the Devices page, select the device associated with main L. As previously specified in the link, the 4 output channels of this device are respectively connected to the main L speakers from top to bottom. We can then adjust the output channels 1 to 4 of this device. Individually calibrate each loudspeaker in the main L line array. The frequency response curve of main L will undergo alteration. The measured frequency response of the sound source represents the combined frequency response of all speakers within the main L array. Main L is composed of multiple loudspeakers. Therefore, when adjusting a single loudspeaker, the change in the frequency response of main L is relatively minor. We can first implement crossover processing for the channels associated with each speaker in the line array. If we wish to make overall adjustments to the line array, first, we can proceed to the routing page. It can be seen that outputs 1 to 4 are all routed from input A. Therefore, we only need to adjust the equalization of input A. The entire main L line array can be calibrated. Naturally, you may also utilize the group function to achieve the same result. This completes the frequency response correction for the sound source. If the object being corrected is a point sound source, taking the delay fill L in the project as an example, we shall add another receiver positioned within the primary coverage area of delay fill L. Switch the data display to receiver 2, mute main L, and activate delay fill L. Select the virtual device associated with delay fill L. It can be seen that delay fill L is linked to the output channel. As a point source consists of only one loudspeaker. Therefore, we can achieve complete correction of the frequency response by directly adjusting the equalization of that channel. Of course, we can still achieve the same effect by adjusting the group or input channels.